Welcome to Expert, the LanguageCert International ESOL C1 level qualification. Let's look at listening, the first component of the written exam. The listening component of the LanguageCert International ESOL written exam at C1 level consists of 4 parts. All texts are heard twice. There are 26 items to answer. There are 2 different item types. Multiple choice questions for parts 1, 2 and 4. Each multiple choice question providing 3 options, A, B, C. And gap filling for part 3. Gaps to be filled in with no more than 5 words each time. Part 1 consists of 6 short, unfinished conversations between 2 speakers, each followed by 1 multiple-choice question. Candidates are asked to understand context, meaning and function in short conversations on concrete and abstract topics, and are asked to choose the appropriate completion or continuation of the conversation. In Part 2, there is a task with 3 longer, unrelated conversations, which asks candidates to identify a specific aspect each time. They answer 2 multiple-choice questions on each. Part 3 asks candidates to extract key information from a monologue to complete a notepad with 7 gaps. Each gap needs to be completed with up to 5 words. Finally, during Part 4, candidates are required to follow a conversation to listen for specific information. The discussion takes place between 2 speakers and candidates answer 7 multiple-choice questions on it. At C1, the listening component lasts approximately 30 minutes. And remember, all answers must be written on a separate answer sheet. This is a sample of Part 1, where candidates are asked to hear 6 short, unfinished conversations and choose the most appropriate completion or continuation. They may be asked to identify context, meaning, or function. The task may expose candidates to idiomatic expressions, colloquialisms, register shifts. This example is characteristic of Part 2, where candidates listen to 3 conversations twice and are asked to identify a specific aspect of a conversation. They answer 2 multiple-choice questions per conversation. This sample task is taken from Part 3, where candidates need to extract information from a monologue. They may be asked to listen to a lecture, radio broadcast, talk, narrative, or presentation and identify specific information. The listening text contains dense, factual information. The 7 responses should be no longer than 5 words each time. This last example is taken from Part 4, where candidates follow a discussion between 2 speakers and listen for specific information. They may need to identify gist, examples, fact, opinion, contrast, purpose, key ideas, attitude, or cause and effect. They need to respond to 7 multiple-choice questions. For all tasks of the listening component, candidates are awarded 1 mark per correct response and can collect up to 26 marks. Here is a sample of the candidate's questions booklet on the left, listening tasks in the middle, and the candidate's answer sheet on the right. For more information on this component of the exam and for support materials, simply follow this link.